So I've had lazy seat belts on this 2002 Toyota Tundra for about 10 years. Looked into replacing the seat belts, but figured out that the problem is this little area right here. The seat belt rubs on it. So here's the lazy seat belt. See, it doesn't even barely retract up. It's rubbing right there on the top portion of that ring. So what you need to do is enlarge that area, which you can do with sandpaper. I used 180 because that's what I had. You could probably use 100 to 180. I clamped the seat belt to pull it tight, just so that the belt kind of stays out of the way. And pretty much just put the sandpaper in here. Go like that. You have to do that for about 10 minutes. And watch the retraction. Fixed.